So a few years ago, I wanted desperately to do a fishing catch and cook video. That brought me to YouTube to find people that could probably carry me on an adventure with them. Now, I ran into this brother on YouTube that was in the area I was in, and his video was really entertaining. Subscribed and I liked his content, so I reached out to him back then to meet up, do a video, and we were to meet up, but I don't remember exactly what happened and it just never worked out. Now, following him, I've seen where his content over the past few years has taken off, and he reached a point where he was able to achieve one of his biggest life goals, and that was opening a restaurant. So you guys already saw the title, so you know exactly who it is I'm referring to. So we're heading to Kingston now to run some errands, and then afterwards we're going to Ramiesh Kitchen.
Let's go to work, 'cause I'm tripping. Gotta work on myself, 'cause I'm falling apart. Please wake me up, 'cause I'm slipping. Can't fight this feeling off no more. Oh na 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 na. When all I see is darkness and gloom, yeah, I'll be running from my doom. Oh na 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 na. But now it's time to live my life, but now I know what I need to do.
Hopefully they have, once you hear Ramiesh Kitchen, oh man, me and my brother Nakima for first thing. When you hear Ramiesh Kitchen, I come to your mind first. Yeah?
Music. Yes, Ramiesh. Yes, Ramiesh. I think
So,
Ramiesh entertainment.
you know, as a Ramiesh Kitchen, why first thing come to your mind to hear Ramiesh Kitchen?
Music and food.
Music and food. So wait, you don't know who name Ramiesh?
Me know Ramiesh entertainment.
So you don't know which part where I go?
No.
Ah,
Think a Ramiesh like Ramiesh entertainment. Have like a
no,
restaurant.
no, he's a brother with the on TikTok and YouTube to make some creative foods. You gonna know who. So when me hear Ramiesh Kitchen, the first thing will come to my mind, blue rice, mint roti. I can't believe you don't know who Ramiesh is. But yeah, we're gonna run some errands and then we head down there. Hopefully they have the staple, you know, the things what you expect, so we can get those. The only problem we might run into is that it's close to lunchtime now, so hopefully there's not a crowd there. Well, hopefully for him there is. Would it be so good for you?
Yeah, I love arguments brother man.
Then get that over there, so.
So you want a beer chicken?
We have to wait about 15 minutes before the food is ready. To me it's a nice spot still, it's just that they need a bit more lighting, and as Nakeem was saying, probably good signage. They need signage outside, like good sign to indicate where it is. But it seemed like a good spot. You see where you have like 3, 4, you have like 6 more stalls that other food businesses could move into. So it's a nice little spot, but just the lighting and the signage. But that is the food yet still. Alright, thank you. Apparently the soup is on the house. It's chicken soup. Eh? place hot. Yeah, boy. I feel good about the food. Okay, soup tastes good. Not really a thick soup, it's really watery. Mostly appetizer, so just to get your stomach going, you know. But it's good. So, but how long will I wait now? Yeah, man, me there.
Are you?
Alright, thank you.
Beer.
So about an hour later, we finally get the food. Eh? Blue. So about an hour later, we finally get the food. We can't go stay and eat, we have to cut. So that's that this time. I wish my boss again. What's up? Alright, honest opinion. We got there. We were told that we would be waiting 15 minutes. And that 15 minutes was closer to an hour, if not past an hour. So that kind of throw we off. So because of that, we can't stay there and eat because we have other engagements we have to deal with by 1 o'clock. So we have to leave. So what I'm gonna do is when we reach back home, I'll show you guys the food and give you a quick review. So I'll catch you guys when we get there. Well, when I get there. Alright guys, so Nakeem have something to deal with. So meanwhile him I deal with that, might as well just give you guys a review because I don't want the food to get too cold. So yeah, just give you guys a quick review. Probably go down a little bit. Give you guys a quick review of the food. Hopefully I'm in frame. So yeah, here we have it. So this is the blue rice with pineapple fried chicken and some vegetables. So yeah, so here we go. So the first thing I'm going to be testing is the blue rice. It looks I know it's just rice with coloring, but the look of it is interesting. Yeah, it's just rice. I like the gravy. Yeah, it's just rice. The blue is a bit off-putting because you're not used to it. Blue is one of the hardest pigments to kind of develop in nature. Holistically, in terms of fruits, animals, it's kind of one of the hardest pigments. You don't oftentimes see it with food. So to see it with rice, it kind of raises your suspicions. But to be honest, it's just rice. The rice could have probably steamed a little bit more. Interestingly, after we were told 15 minutes and waited an hour, it could probably steam some more. But yeah, the gravy is really good. This is vegetable. Yeah, vegetable, what you expect of vegetables. Yeah, it's good. It's what you expect from the typical lunch stop. It's just that the creativity of it kind of make you more attracted to it. But this is what you expect from a typical lunch spot. This is what I want to try. I'm not sure how it's done. More than likely it's just fried chicken and they kind of put it in some pineapple sauce. See, I have pieces of pineapple, I'm assuming here. So more than likely it's just fried chicken in some pineapple sauce to kind of glaze it. But yeah, let me try that now. Got a wing. Woo! Not him carrying, don't tell him. So this is a wing and a leg. I'm glad them never give me a breast because I don't really like breast. Well, I don't like chicken breast. fried chicken definitely seemed like it was glazed with some pineapple sauce or gravy. I'm kind of taste the pine, like it has an aftertaste of pine. Okay, has an aftertaste of pine. I'm glad I'm actually eating it hot, because probably it wouldn't have been this enjoyable if I made it got cold. So yeah. If you see this, by chance, if you see this Ramiesh, but even if you were around there cook, but food good, man. Worth the price. Probably slightly bit more expensive than the typical lunch spot, but the flavors are good enough. I'll leave this when we reach home. Yeah, so there you guys have it. Put down the rest to finish up when I'm home. Nakeem got the beer fried chicken, so he's going to be a bit different. For the pineapple fried chicken, it's good. No, just waiting on him to get back and close out the video when I reach home. So that was about 2 weeks ago. If you're a foodie and you love to try new interesting foods, I would definitely recommend checking out Ramesh's Kitchen. I would say, based on my experience, I would say choose a time when you're not that busy, so you could have some time to spare if you have to wait. But all in all, it was a decent food experience. You can give it a try. Let me know in the comments if you're going to try it, or if you tried it already. What was your experience like? Remember to leave a like on the video. If you're not subscribed, subscribe. Join the Maroon clan. Yeah, but that's it for this video, guys. I'll see you in the next one.
Cause got me going to the deepest of oceans. Come on, let me show you why you feel like a float pan. Slow jams why you feel like listen. Anything to turn in a real life fixin'. Not a drink, girl, you're my addiction. Cause with you I feel I'm missing nothing, 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 nothing.